One of the most difficult challenges of owning a 350Z is attempting to get something out of the back, with the hatch falling on your head due to old, worn out, failing hatch struts. Well, don't sweat it. Z1 Motorsports has your back. And you know what that means? Another DIY video! Some of you may have already seen our original version of this video, but we felt like it's time for a refresh. Here are 9 easy steps to replacing your 350Z hatch struts. Step 1. Open your hatch and secure it. A simple prop will suffice. Step 2. Remove the upper ball head using a 12mm wrench. Step 3. Find your 10mm socket. This may take some time. You will need this to remove the lower ball head. Step 4. Remove the lower bracket. Be sure to retain the factory gasket, as this is reused on the new struts. This will help protect your paint. Step 5. Install the new lower bracket. Be sure the bracket is facing downward. This is commonly mixed up. The hatch will not close properly if these are facing the wrong direction. Step 6. Install the upper ball head. Be careful threading the head into the hatch, as you do not want to cross-thread this part. Step 7. Snap the top of the strut into the upper ball head. It will make a very distinct audible snap once it's in place. Step 8. Repeat steps 2 through 7 on the other side of the hatch. Step 9. Test your new struts. Congratulations, you've just installed your new Z1 Motorsports hatch struts.